Okay, so just recently I had a problem with my Bosch router. Worked great for about a year. I didn't use it very much. It's model number MR23EVS. Pretty sure that's the model number. It was factory reconditioned, so cheaper. But then it stopped working. All of a sudden it was getting power. The lights underneath would light up. So I knew the power was getting to it. When you run the switch, wasn't firing up or turning. So I just popped open the cap, and just looking at the connections is the first resort to problem solving. And I noticed right off the bat, some of these wires were off out of their connectors. So I'm just reconnecting them. I'll put that one back when I'm done recording here. But the main one and the problem was the ground wire. That right there had popped all the way off of its sleeve because on the top I added this little cushion. The factory cushion here is supposed to hold the entire motor piece down once you put the cap back on. So you screw on the cap and that pad on top along with that pad on top are in theory supposed to hold the whole assembly to the frame, which is really odd. Well, I'm sure they have their reasons, but as you can see, you can lift up on this and it moves, and I must have dropped it or set it down hard on its upside down, and that caused the whole assembly to shift up quickly enough that one of those electrical sleeves came off. So anyway, I could get some better foam, I suppose, but it doesn't need much. I'll try that. Anyway, if you have a problem with your router, check that first.